Welcome on Super Easy Drawings channel. Today, we are going to draw and color Dora the Explorer. Let's start drawing. At first, I'm going to draw Dora's eyes. Then her small nose and her smiling mouth. After that, I draw her hair and her face. She is just turning back for a look at us. And she's wearing her backpack. So now I draw her hand first. Now, let's start to draw her funny backpack. Don't forget the strap of it. Okay. After I finish her hair, I'm going to draw 2 eyes for her backpack. And also a wide, smiling mouth for it. Good job! Now I'm going to use a thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. At first, I'm going to use a dark brown marker for her eyes. Then another shade of brown for her hair. She is a heroic Latina girl who embarks on countless adventures in order to find something or help somebody in need. Dora has dark peach skin, causing it to appear almost orange. So I'm going to use this marker. Dora enjoys sports, especially soccer. She played on a baseball team with Boots and her other partners and was coached by her father. She is wearing a pink t-shirt, so I'm going to use this nice pink marker. Oh, I forgot to color her arm. I used some yellow for her bracelet. Now let's color her backpack. I use red for its mouth. Now let's color the backpack with light purple. Did you know that Dora is also a musician, skilled at playing a wooden flute and the guitar? Finally, for the pocket and strap, I use a dark purple color. Super! Yippee! Wow, she looks beautiful! If you like this video, do not hesitate to like it and subscribe to the channel.